Major development in the fight against COVID. The White House is expected to announce this week that anyone who got the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine should get a booster shot. It would be given 8 months after their second dose. The shots could start as early as mid-September if approved by the FDA.
This coming as Georgia reports its 1 millionth confirmed case of COVID-19. That's the number of total cases since the pandemic began. 19,000 people here in our state died from the virus. And part of Georgia's latest increase in cases is due to infections related to children.
CBS 46's Ashley Thompson joins us live in Cobb County, where the debate over masks in schools far from over, right, Ashley?
It is just heating up, Rick. Actually, more than 200 doctors just sent a letter to the superintendent urging him to take stricter measures to keep students safe. Their suggestions include social distancing, masking indoors, and offering a virtual learning option. Hundreds of local doctors calling for Cobb County schools to adopt stricter COVID-19 protocols. In a letter sent to the school board and superintendent, physicians say the district is not adhering to CDC guidelines and has disregarded best practices for mitigation.
We're kind of at a crisis point right now with unbelievable uncontrolled spread in the community, and it feels as though the school system is acting like there's nothing going on.
Like many of the physicians who signed the letter, Dr. Laura Varigan has kids in the school district where masks are optional.
There's no space between any of the desks. They're clustered into groups of 8. And the kids aren't wearing masks.
School board member Dr. Jaha Howard, a physician and parent himself, just held a virtual town hall to discuss how to keep students safe.
Hopefully we are looking at all the options and choosing the options that stress safety over convenience.
While board members continue to hear from parents with varying opinions, ultimately, it's the superintendent who calls the shots. Speaking only for himself, Dr. Howard says he knows masks work.
Just personally as a parent, and just from what I know as a medical health provider, I strongly agree that masks are a huge part of this whole process of keeping us safe.
Just as parents are split, not all district leaders are on the same page either. School board member David Mack has been responding to some parents' concerns by sending emails that falsely state, quote, COVID shots do not protect very well from COVID-19.
It's very concerning when we reach out to elected officials that they respond like a crazy uncle as opposed to taking the needs of their constituents.
And we actually just heard back from a district spokesperson about that letter the doctor sent. It reads, quote, "We appreciate feedback from every corner of our community. As we've said previously, and in accordance with a recently issued administrative order by the Georgia Department of Public Health, Cobb's updated public health protocols for 2021-2022 are intended to balance the importance of in-person learning with the frequent changes associated with COVID-19. Now, there will be a school board meeting Thursday at 2:30 p.m. There will be a public comment section of that, and we know there is no shortage of opinions over this topic. For now, I am live in Cobb County. Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.